After the introduction of chapter 2 estimation, our next topic is rounding of numbers. So in your syllabus for exercise 1, we are having rounding of a number to nearest 10, then nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Okay, so rounding off is easy, that is not difficult. Okay, so probably the girl here is thinking that rounding off maybe is difficult or not. So after I will explain, then you should see reaction of this girl. Okay, that should be changed. So what is the basic rule of rounding off? You know very well that we are having digits from 0 to 9. Okay, and the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these digits we are having. For rounding off, for rounding off, you should have digits. Okay, these digits. Now in rounding off, first we are having rounding up, then we are having rounding down. Rounding up and rounding down. I will explain you when we will get questions of rounding up and when we will solve questions of rounding down. Okay, so let's get started. Example. For example, we are having 542. What we are having here? We are having 542. And we have to round off this 542 nearest 10. So this is ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens, 100. So whenever we are rounding off to the nearest 10, we should see the digit before the tens, that is ones. Okay, so you know very well that ones, tens, 100, 1000, then 10,000, this we are having. So whenever we have to round off nearest 10, we should see the digit before 10, that is on ones place. This is the rule number 1. किसी में भी अगर आपको राउंड ऑफ करना है, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, अगर आपको टेंस में राउंड ऑफ करना है तो आप टेंस के पहले जो डिजिट है वंस पे उसको देखेंगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको 100 पे राउंड ऑफ करना है तो 100 के जस्ट पहले जो टेंस है आप उसको ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, उसके डिजिट को देखेंगे. देन फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको 1000 में राउंड ऑफ करना है तो 1000 के जस्ट बिफोर जो 100 है, ठीक है, आप उसके डिजिट को देखेंगे. क्लियर? इफ डिजिट्स 0 to 4 you are having at desired location, so there is a case of rounding down. एंड जब भी राउंडिंग डाउन होता है तो वहाँ पे 0 आ जाता है. देन if you are having digits 5 to 9, then case of rounding up. Clear? Now see how we are rounding off. So rounding off to nearest 10. In this particular example 542, see the digit at unit ones place. If the digit at ones place is less than 5, if the digit at ones place is less than 5, replace that digit from 0 by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. So in this 542 we have to round off nearest 10. तो 10 में round off करना है. So before 10 we are having ones, and at ones you can see 2 we are having, and 2 is less than 5. So case of rounding down. Case of rounding down. So this 2 will become 0 and 4 and 5 will be same. So 542 round off to nearest 10 is 540. Okay. Some more examples. 934. This is ones, tens, hundred. Again, rounding of this number to nearest 10. Okay. So nearest 10 means what? We have to see the digit at once. सो टेंस में राउंड ऑफ करना है तो टेंस के पहले क्या होता है? वंस होता है. वंस पे कौन सा डिजिट है? 4 है. तो 4 इज़ लेस देन 5. 4 इज़ लेस देन 5. सो केस ऑफ राउंडिंग डाउन. राउंडिंग डाउन हो गया तो ये 4 क्या हो जाएगा? 0. 3 एज इट इज़, 9 एज इट इज़. सो 930 इज रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. 686. So in this question, rounding of a number to nearest 10. So this is your ones, tens, 100. राउंड ऑफ करना जो है वो 10 पे करना है. 10 के पहले क्या है? वंस है. और वंस पे डिजिट क्या है? 6. So you know very well that 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. So this is the case of rounding up. This is the case of rounding up. So whenever you are having rounding up, whenever you are having rounding up, so this 686, 6 is greater than 5. तो जब भी राउंडिंग अप का केस होता है तो जो डिजिट है वो होता है 0 और वो एक इंक्रीज़ होता है इस वैल्यू में. तो जैसे ये 60 हो गया तो ये 8 है. 8 में 1 ऐड हो जाएगा तो कितना हो जाएगा? 9 और 6 एज इट इज़. तो 686 का जो राउंड ऑफ होगा वो कितना होगा? 690. So now question from exercise 2A, question number 1, rounding of each of the following to the nearest 10. Question number 4, I am solving here. 8261, rounding off to nearest 10. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000. Rounding off nearest 10, that means we should see the digit before tens. Before tens we are having ones, and at ones we are having 1, and 1 is less than 5. So this is the case of rounding down. So rounding down case, so this 1 will be 0 and other digits are same as it is, no change. So 8261 rounded off to nearest 10 is 8260. This is question number 4 from exercise 2A, question number 1. Then next question, question number 7. 72,326. So again this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, then 10,000. Rounding off a number to the nearest 10. So again nearest 10 that we are having, राउंड ऑफ करना है किसमें? 10 में. तो 10 के जस्ट बिफोर क्या है? वंस है. और वंस पे कौन सा डिजिट है? 6 है. तो यू नो 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 5. 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 5. सो 6 डिजिट जो है वो 5 से बिगर है. रूल सिर्फ एक ही है, अगर लेस देन 5 है डिजिट तो राउंडिंग डाउन, अगर ग्रेटर देन 5 है तो राउंडिंग अप. तो 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 5. सो दिस इज द केस ऑफ राउंडिंग अप. सो इन राउंडिंग अप दिस 6 will become 0 and this 6 will give increase of 1 to the digit next to it. That means this 2 will become 2 plus 1, 3, and others we have to write the same. So 72,330 is the required answer. So this is the rounding of a number to the nearest 10. You can solve exercise 2A, question number 1.